Maybe.
No, now.
Yeah.
I'll give you a chance.
Okay, I'm right here, and the mic is right here. Let's see, let me bring it up.
The Art of Disappearing or The Modern Man? Your choice.
The Art of Disappearing and the Modern Man. The Modern Man for modern times.
Okay. This is by George Carlin.
Yeah.
I'm a modern man, a man for the millennium, digital and smoke-free, a diversified, multicultural, postmodern deconstructionist, politically, anatomically, and ecologically incorrect. I've been uplinked and downloaded. I've been inputted and outsourced. I know the upside of downsizing. I know the downside of upgrading. I'm a high-tech lowlife, a cutting-edge, state-of-the-art, bi-coastal multitasker, and I can give you a gigabyte in a nanosecond. I'm new wave, but I'm old school, and my inner child is outward bound. I'm a hot-wired, heat-seeking, warm-hearted, cool customer, voice-activated, and biodegradable. I interface with my database. My database is in cyberspace, so I'm interactive, hyperactive, and from time to time, I'm radioactive. I'm behind the 8-ball, ahead of the curve, riding the wave, dodging the bullet, pushing the envelope. I'm on task, on point, on message, and off drugs. I have no need for coke and speed. I have no urge to binge and purge. I'm in the moment, on the edge, over the top, and under the radar. A high concept, low profile, medium range, ballistic missionary, a streetwise smart bomb, a Top Gun bottom feeder. I wear power ties, I tell power lies, I take power naps, I run victory laps. I'm a totally ongoing Bigfoot slam dunk rainmaker with a proactive outreach. A raging workaholic, a working rageaholic, out of rehab and in denial. I have a personal trainer, a personal shopper, a personal assistant, and a personal agenda. You can't shut me up, you can't dumb me down, because I'm tireless, I'm wireless, I'm an alpha male on beta blockers. I'm a non-believer and an overachiever, laid back but fashion forward, up front, down home, low rent, high maintenance, supersized, long lasting, high definition, fast acting, oven ready, and built to last. I'm a hands-on, foot-loose, knee-jerk head case, prematurely post-traumatic, and I have a love child that sends me hate mail. But I'm feeling, I'm caring, I'm healing, I'm sharing, a supportive, bonding, nurturing, primary caregiver. My output is down, but my income is up. I take a short position on the long bond, and my revenue stream has its own cash flow. I read junk mail, I eat junk food, I buy junk bonds, I watch trash sports. I'm gender specific, capital intensive, lactose intolerant. I like rough sex. I like tough love. I use the F word in my email, and the software on my hard drive is hardcore. No soft porn. I bought a microwave in a mini mall. I bought a minivan in a mega store. I eat fast food in the slow lane. I'm toll-free, bite-sized, ready to wear, and I come in all sizes. I'm fully equipped, factory authorized, hospital tested, clinically proven, scientifically formulated, medical miracle. I've been pre-washed, preheated, pre-approved, freeze-dried, double-wrapped, vacuum packed, and I have an unlimited broadband capacity. I'm a rough dude, but I'm the real deal. Mean and lean, cocked, locked, and ready to rock. Rough, tough, and hard to bluff. I take it slow, I go with the flow, I ride the tide, I have glide in my stride. Driving and moving, sailing and spinning, jiving and grooving, wailing and winning. I don't snooze, so I don't lose. I keep the pedal on the metal and the rubber on the road. I party hardy, and lunchtime is crunch time. I'm hanging in, there ain't no doubt. I'm hanging tough. Over and out.
Yeah.